So guys, in this lesson we'll be looking at a few chords that you can use to get a nice R&B and Neo-Soul chord progression with all of the embellishments typical of this style. Before we get started, if it's your first time around, don't forget to subscribe, and if you enjoy this type of content, make sure to hit the like button. So the chord progression is fairly simple. You can consider it either in F sharp minor or A major. If you think of it as A major, then the first chord that you play, which is a D major 9, is the 4th degree, and then you are going to the 6th minor, which is an F sharp minor 7. When you go there, you pass through the secondary dominant of F sharp minor 7, okay, which is going to be the 5 dominant 7 of F sharp minor, which is a C sharp 7 altered, so you can play it with sharp 9 or with flat 9, or you can even play just the flat 9 without the root, which is going to be this F diminished 7th. If you look at it with the C sharp on the bass, what you get is basically the usual C sharp 7 flat 9. If instead you want to think of this chord progression in the key of F sharp minor, then the first chord, D major 9, is the flat 6 major 7. The second chord, C sharp dominant 7th altered, is going to be the 5-7 dominant, the secondary dominant, and then F sharp minor, which is going to be the 1. So I play the D major 9 with a hammer on the G string with the pinky. Then I play a sort of melody which is based on the D major 7 arpeggio starting from the 7th degree. So I play this 11-12 on the D string, C sharp and D. Then I play 11 on the G string, which is an F sharp. Then I play A, which is the 10th fret on the B string. And then I play the 9th fret C sharp on the 1st string. So you might guys know this chord shape, which is a D major 7. All I'm doing, I'm starting from the major 7 here and playing a sort of melody. So then I move to this C sharp 7, which I first play as a sharp 9 and then as a flat 9. But then, as I said, I remove the root and I get an F diminished 7. Going next to the 1 minor, which is going to be the F sharp minor. I play the F sharp minor 7 position, doing a hammer on the G string with my pinky, giving me that sort of sus4 sound. Then I also open up to this F sharp minor 11, okay? And then after that I slide all the way up to the 9th fret to play an F sharp minor 11 with this other voicing, okay? So from here I play the same chord all the way up here, and on the last beat I also play an A major 7 with again a hammer on with my pinky on the B string. So far it sounds like then I repeat everything. But after this F sharp minor 11, I go to the other position of the F sharp minor 11 and I play a typical R&B and Neo-Soul embellishment with a couple of hammer-ons with my pinky on the B and E string. Then I slide all the way up to play an F sharp minor 9 with this hammer-on. And I'm on the 14th fret when I do this, and the pinky is playing the 16th fret of the 1st string. You could think of this chord either as an F sharp minor 9, but also as an inversion of the A major 7 that I was playing before. That's exactly the same thing. So altogether it goes like That's all for this lesson, guys. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed it and if you'd like to see more of these quick Neo-Soul lessons. If it's your first time around, don't forget to subscribe, and if you enjoyed this content, make sure to hit the like button. This was the Bearded Guitarist. Thanks for watching.